Module 11 Part 1 calculator tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to find the mean and standard deviation of a probability distribution. For this video I'm going to be using the example 2 from the Module 11 Part 1 notes. So this is the example where John and Alyssa were looking at the ages of students around their campus. So I've gone ahead and I've already entered the ages into list 1 and the probability of that age in list 2. Now just like in module 5, we want to make sure that we keep the probability of 18 next to it in the list. So we don't want any of these probabilities to get jumbled or any of these ages to get jumbled. We want to make sure that what we see in our list in our calculator is identical to what we see in the list for the probabilities. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit Stat. I'm going to arrow over to Calc, and I'm going to use our favorite button so far, number 1, variable stats. So the list is going to be the list of your X values. So in this case, that's the ages. We're going to arrow down, and now we're going to use this freak list. So this freak list is the frequencies or the probabilities of our X values. So here I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do list 2 because that is where I put the probabilities for each of those ages. And finally I'm going to come down and now I'm going to hit calculate. Okay, from here we can see now that we have a mean of 21.44. That matches what we calculated when we did it by hand in the notes. Notice there's no S of X here. Okay, when we're calculating this with a probability distribution, the equation doesn't change between whether it's a sample or a population. So we don't even get a sample standard deviation. All we're given is the population standard deviation, 2.3036. which matches again with what we found in the notes. So this is all we need to know on what to do with these probability distributions: the mean, the top value, and our standard deviation sigma x. All right, and that is it.